Minista wa KIGIINA John Mbadi awete kwina bate ya MAKAUNTI utumira Mbeca BWEGA kurekana buruna MANTU yara JATINA itumi kana yomba kwithira geterane yenengerekana na kaunti imwe kuoneka utumira Mbeca MANTU ni JATINA itumi muno kiweta ngendo akiwa kwe baba weta safari nkuluki ya kithimi pongelia yau ni kwirirwa ukoyirwa ntangurutano inene mbungeni ya SENITI kwithirwa Seneta BABAINGI barinyilia kigina kia CDF GIUTATI na WATHO na gitibatere kwithira KUREKERUA Boniface Mongela kuma mushi munene wa Nairobi na tumenyithia cionkuluki.
Thirikari cia kaunti cikenderea kumbirinya kwithira ikinyania bajeti ciao mwankarente tukethira ikimariri nuntu kwa thai thirikari nene kenderete kuriria beri na mantu jatibui. Ojo neu minister wa KIGIINA jathurune Kenya bona John Mbadi ere kamiti ya KIGIINA na budget ya bunge Senate ari akugwatio ni kuja kwirithania thirikari cia kaunti cigitirwa irwao na bilioni 20 kuma kire ciene kiri musondo jwa mbeca cia kaunti jone jikine jandora bilioni 100.
The present economic situation does not allow us to live normally. We must live a little bit abnormally by cutting our clothes according to our sizes. Each one of us must tighten our belts. The CBA agreement, the national government made the counties commit to. The community health promoters, the national government made the counties commit to.
Should our people at the counties not get their salaries on time? Putting in mind, the same revenue that you collect also comes from the same 47 counties. Why did you not even reduce 1 billion? Why 20 billion?
We actually have been living a lie as a country. We are borrowing money to meet our recurrent expenditure. By the way, I didn't tell this committee that our current expenditure at the national government level is 400 billion per year. So that money, that expenditure is met from the borrowed funds, a lot of which is at very high interest rates, 18% for domestic borrowing.
Bagitetera thirikari cia kaunti seneta iberire Mbadi kwabo mono na gukeja kumbika bakethro begitagita mbeca cia bunge cia CDF nuntu thirikari cia kaunti cio cine gitumi mono nkurukitwo bio bunge.
Why is it so easy to make a decision to slash funds for county governments, and you find it difficult to tell members of the National Assembly to equally slash CDF?
Maybe for your information, we as Treasury proposed to reduce NGCDF, but do we have power to pass the appropriations bill? No. It is passed at the National Assembly.
Musonda jwa KIGIINA kana finance bill mwaka wa 2024 jo kulingana nthegoro thirikari ne cokere kwithira ikirekithania budget yeyo iregere na rukuro bilioni 350 ugukarojo ndwagimwe nyamanisha thirikari ciagitire budget ciao hari thirikari nene yagitire na 93 thirikari cia county nacio ciagitwa na 17 either na kubunge Senate ni citetie gitenekara musono jo kedro jwireto bakedro bejo gwithia ontu bora kwa mbeca cia thirikari cia county itibatere kodro cigitwa chenami cibatere kodro cikiongera citetie.
Ministers have advisors, governors have advisors, prime cabinet secretary, the deputy president, the president. You promised us as government that we're going to cut it. This will cut expenses.
I would like to say, Madam Chair and the Chair, that I will vote against this bill, whatever you do.
Na kulingana na minister wa KIGIINA bona Mbadi, kaunti cionthe na ndikethro cicumiria cinyanie na ciethro ciekavira gutigira batino nyange bwa mbeca ja baria bakwethro bagita safari ciao minya cia ndene bethro benyanyia ninyo utumiri bunge kire mantu ja mirire ja mandasi ninya chai nke reporter Ndoshero TV kumaje karore bia bunge kengina ngine ne kinene kimushoni Nairobi Mbeta Boniface Mongela.